Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. We are still tracking here a potential bullish wave count. Just want to focus on the lower time frame in this video. In previous videos we talked about this ABC structure that is part of a larger diagonal wave to the upside. The idea is that we came down in a B wave. We turned around exactly where we needed it to turn around in order to not to invalidate the upside setup. So for now, we see a bit of a reaction to the upside of this swing low, which was made on the 25th of July. This seems pretty loaded with numbers here. And yeah, I made an attempt to count the micro structure here to understand, okay, do we get a 5-wave move to the upside? What I will do, though, I showed you that in previous videos, I will take the subwaves out. We don't need them. And it may look a little bit, a little bit overwhelming here. Let me just actually refresh that. It seems to be frozen for some reason, but what I want to emphasize, I worked on the micro count here. The idea is what we need to understand is, do we have 5 waves up already? Why is that so important? Because in Elliott wave, we always need a 5-wave move to the upside of a, of a certain low. We need a 5-wave move up of a certain low to indicate that the trend has shifted to the upside. As you can clearly see, we could only count 3 waves up. So let me take them out as well. We can only count 3 waves up so far. I think we can make the case for 5 already, but I would prefer a reliable 5-wave move up. So I'm counting this decline, which happened into this morning basically, as a wave 4 with one more high to come. Now, it doesn't mean we have to get that high, but if we get it, it would tremendously help the white wave count, which is the more bullish direct count here to the upside. Yeah, which could take us higher within this C wave of wave 3. So we need the 5 waves up. If we don't get them, then it is still a very fragile wave count, and it could mean that we go to new lows here below the Tuesday low, which was at 22.70. And I think if we do that, then we are looking for a much deeper decline, unfortunately. At the moment, the bulls are trying. I can count again 3 waves up only. I would prefer if this was a wave 4 low, the Friday low basically today, at around 24.50. And I would like to see one more high at least, above $25. Well, you could say $25.70 above this 3rd wave high. Then I would give it a fairly reliable 5-wave structure to the upside. I would then wait if we get a 3-wave pullback in a wave 2 to maybe even enter a trade with a tight stop. Then we could trade the 3rd wave of the C wave of, again, larger wave 3, but this could be a trade setup to trade the 3rd wave here. And I cannot really give you yet a support for wave 2, because to do that, I need the 5 waves up first. Okay, so my assumption was that this could be a wave 4 here. I gave you a support area for the wave 4 in previous videos, and we talked about, okay, for this wave 4 to be a wave 4, I needed to hold 24.50, 24.40. It did hold that level, yeah. So it turned around, but it now needs to deliver. We need that one more high. Just getting rejected just now, but it still has a chance to push higher once more. Just one more high is all I ask for, to have a more or less reliable 5-wave move to the upside of the Tuesday low. And then we have at least some confirmation to work with that would send us higher in a C wave. And we can say, okay, we are probably already in the C wave of wave 3, and here the overall bullish wave count, the more direct bullish wave count, has a chance. Below that Tuesday low, yeah, if we break below that level, we are dealing probably with a break all the way down to round about 1830. I think this would be the first relevant level to test and to watch out for, and then potentially even into the larger support area that was already relevant in June between 1530 and 1016. But I will advise on that and recommend the most likely pathway as soon as we have a break of the more imminent upside structure. At the moment, I'm still tentatively bullish as long as we're holding that Tuesday low. Okay, so all eyes need to be on that 25.70 level. I need one more high. If I don't get it, this is only a 3-wave move down and could lead to a failure. So I take that wedge pattern out, by the way, as well. All right, that's my update about Solana. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.